Hi, my name is Adharsh Menon. I'm doing B.Sc Psychology final year in Dr. MGI University. So I've done a research as part of my final year camp. So the topic was about levels of depression, anxiety and stress among the caretakers of physiologically ill and psychologically ill patients. So the scale have been used here is DAS-21. It measured depression, anxiety and stress scale with 21 items. So basically the demographic details was the independent variables here. And we have taken difference among the males, females, people coming from a nuclear family, joint family, and the amount of time they've been with the patients, such as chronically ill and acute patients. So the results was basically telling that there is no significant level of difference among the patients of both physiological and psychological ill patients. The amount of stress experienced by both the samples were equal, and it had been a null hypothesis. Why did I choose this research topic? So it was basically that I was personally interested in clinical subjects, and this was something which is related about that. And sampling was noble technique which I used, and the population how I chose was I went to hospitals as part of my internship, so I could collect my data from there. So that's it. Thank you.